sometimes you have to do those things to fire up not only the players but to really let the officials also know how displeased we were with several non-calls. But I've been around long enough to know not to lose my composure. So tagal ko ba naman dito, nagkakahig na ako dito sa PBA. I know that I can have outbursts of emotion like that, but what I've learned over the years is to coach through that and to make sure that my thinking and my thought process is still very clear. So I just wanted to really make a point in that moment in the second quarter.
What was the response of the players? Simon,
Ano mo sa kanila? Nasayaw mo lang silang tatanggap. Anong response nila?
yung tanong ni Coach na kung gusto niya talaga
Yun, palagi naman yung pag nagagalit na si Coach, pag nagtatanong na yung kung anong gusto namin, talagang the next game, parang added the fuel talagang lahat gusto mong pakamatay. Talagang ganun palagi pag nagagalit. Kasi minsan kasi pinapabayaan kami, nagre-relax. Pag magalit na si Coach, talagang magigising ka.